Elite Gate introduces India's first fully aluminium trackless automatic folding gates. Elite Gate supports up to 30 feet width. It has also been tested by SIRIM QAS cyclic test of 50,000 times and durability test. Elite Gate's 360-degree adjustable hinges allow vertically and horizontally adjustment to maximize the access space. It can also be installed on uneven pillars to balance the gate degree. The fully aluminium Elite Gate offers different welded frame size with inner support. The pulse welding process uses German technology that guarantees a stable welding process. Welding on the external and also the inner surface on the joining parts provides stronger support. Elite Gate comes with durable wall bracket support with 12 pieces locking points on the pillars to balance out the weight of the gate. All Elite Gates are fitted with 30 pieces of highly durable stainless steel copper bearings. This ensures the gate has a flawless flexibility that is not available in any other brands. Elite Gate provides security features with 3 turning point arm lock system, which is secured under the 2 panels of the gate. Besides that, Elite Gate comes with hardened stopper and middle latch to enhance safety features for double protection. It comes with a heavy-duty 8-point waterproof bearing locking system to provide a smooth operation. To secure your property, Elite Trackless Gate offers a high level of protection against break-ins and promises extra stability and gives you peace of mind. Elite Gate is an innovative system that removes the hassle of installing a track and making it easier for cleaning. Most conventional gates seem to look perfect from the outside, but over the years, common problems begin to emerge, especially when the tracks and rollers getting unhinged from the track. Elite Aluminium Trackless Gate is now available at a call away. For more information, call us at 919381814141 or log on to www.elitegates.in.